Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember on this channel, I always remain my trade setup and my trade pair. So I started an episode of when I'm not on the charts, and this is another video from that episode. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to show us love by clicking the subscribe and turn on the bell notification. This channel is positioned to be a motivation to new traders, people in the process of already making profit, and profitable traders too. I want to use this video to remind you of your goal as a Forex trader. It's not just to make correct analysis. It's not just to make profit and show screenshots. It's more or less like be a blessing to people that looks up to you, to your family, to your society, and to that particular group, whether you are in uni, whether you are outside uni, like just be a blessing to others. That should be your major goal as a Forex trader. Screenshots are still part of the game, but I think it's part of the business of Forex trading. Today, I took a tour on one of our big Forex traders in the person of Jeffrey Benson. So shout out to Jeffrey Benson. He was that kind of an icon, or what you like call that moment you join the new industry and you are like, wow, I love this person. Let me check out this page. I started watching his YouTube video right from last year. I think I discovered his channel last year, June, July, depending. I can't remember exactly. But last year was the year I took it upon myself that, you see, trading, I'm taking it serious last year. Last year, May. Then I was seeing 200 level. Then 200 level ended around April. My 200 level, yeah. I was like, you see, this me. Yeah, that should be 200 level, I'll be 300 level. I can't remember exactly. But the moment the semester closed, I told myself that, you see, I will become full-time trader and part-time student. In as much as I'm a regular student, don't mind me. So I took it upon myself that I would take steady serious. And then I was still a crypto trader. But at a point, I had to take a break and evaluate my process so far, and I was like, if I should continue this way, should I continue trading $10, 20,000? That was $10, 20. I would try, raise up to 25,000. Then was around $20, $21. So I found I'll still lose it here, but I kept on going. And also shout out to my friend Rosemary. Yeah, Chukwuchi some Rosemary. She was part of, let's say, a partner or what. We combine money and trade and blow the accounts. That is the story for another day. So as I already planned to take trading serious, I saw the channel Jeffrey Benson. From there, I saw a video on First Trader Millionaire 23, which was HBFS. So I started following the both of them, and that was how I was motivated to try Forex and leave crypto for the meantime, because I saw that there was more opportunity to make money, more money in Forex than in crypto, and there was opportunity to get a bigger capital, which was the profit trading. So after considering all those things, I have to switch to Forex, and that is the reason why I'm making this video and you are seeing this channel. So this channel is my Forex journey from September. The day I switched to Forex, I created a channel to be a day-to-day documentary of my Forex journey. So today I took a tour on Jeffrey Benson's page. I've been watching random videos. I've just been following his update, but today I said, let me go back to the very first video he posted on that channel. Let me see how he started. And I think his first video was 5 years ago, or 4 years ago, something like that. You can check that yourself. So I saw those videos. I was tracking the channel progress up to today. So I came across this video, which I will display to you right now, so you can also watch and
so the green
video.
part
So
means this is where price is going to be heading to for you to make profit, and the red part is your stop loss zone. Okay, so that's how it works. And when you keep doing that often, you find out that it might be boring and you might not be making a lot of money. And that may make you feel depressed at some point, because you're not really making money, and there are bills that keep coming in. You don't really know how to solve all these things. Trust me, that's a way to consistency. I did this thing for more than a whole year. I kept doing it, but I wasn't seeing consistency. I wasn't seeing money coming in. It felt that I wasn't productive, because
I started following the video. I was like, I think this is making sense. So one of the things I learned from the analysis I did today, from their own progress and their own Forex journey, is that, number one, don't overtake Forex serious. Forex trading is what I will classify in stages. Your first stage is when you know nothing about charts, and if you see chart like this, you'll be like, waiting be this. I'm just saying that is the novice stage. You get me now? Then that is the moment you have to maybe meet up with, even whether you're a beginner, whether a person that is still confused, just find someone that at least knows something about charts. Okay, what is this? What is this? That will be the moment you have to start being like, okay, this is candle, this is this. So how do I start to be able to understand this thing called Forex and all that? So After that stage, you enter a stage whereby you can comfortably, just do one or two things and make profit. That will be the moment you'll be like, I'm profitable, but it's still in the process, you're still in a journey to get that financial freedom from Forex. So after that stage, you enter the stage whereby, no, I think this is working, but I really need to. I really need to like it will be like you want to know the back end from your chart. Do you get it now? I think that's the moment I would advise that person now to go for what I call it mentorship. Just pay for somebody. Let me know what this person knows in Forex. Do you get me now? By the time you pay for the mentorship and you're able to understand, okay, this is how this person approaches this Forex market and all this, even the psychology tips of that particular person, that is and that stage in Forex, do you get me now? Then after then, that is when you will start doing what we call trying to master how this market works for you. You get me now? How it works for me is how it works for, because most times you'll be like, why is this person dropping a signal on buy XAUUSD gold, for example? But what I'm seeing here is sell. You get it now? From your own chart, you are seeing something different from the person's chart. And mind you that when you see the person's chart, you'll be like, wow, this is a buy. But when you organize your own chart, you'll be seeing sell. At the end of the day, it's either a sell happens or a buy happens. And that's how market actually moves. So your broker now will be like, okay, if you're standing for buy, stand this side. If you're standing for sell, stand this side. So if this person loses money, they will take the person's money and pay the rest and pay the other side. You get it now? And that is more or less like what we call how brokers get money and pay buyers and sellers at any point in time. So that is it for that. So after that stage, you'll be like, small. After a little mastery, you can start scaling up. Because after mastering your chart, you'll be like, no, at this point in time, this thing will not happen. At this point in time, this will happen. You get me now? And at that moment, you're already at that level of what I would call, you are going towards being a professional trader now. You get me? Then that will be the moment we can be like, okay, well, small. Let me start scaling up in capital, since I can now make correct predictions of the market movement or correct forecast of the market movement, and it works out in my favor. Do you get me now? With good money and risk management. Do you get me now? So after that stage, you see yourself growing gradually. And mind you that this thing takes time. Don't expect all these things to happen for you in a matter of 1 month, 2 months. Just allow the process to flow. You get me now? Just grow with time. Just grow gradually with time. You get me now? Before you know it, you see yourself making tons of money that ordinarily you'd be like, wow, this is what I was struggling to make before. Me that is even talking to you, I'm in a stage whereby I'm still mastering this market gradually. That is my own stage. I know that. I can even screenshot my bank statement and even give you, see that, I know they will draw yet too, but from mindset, I already know that, no, I'm here and I need to get here. So I'm no more here, I'm here. You get me now? So also evaluate yourself and know where you are in this Forex journey. Do you get me now? Do a breakdown, take a break, understand how you and this market, the market is fighting, whether you are winning or the market is winning you, whether you are still doing the right thing. You get me? So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I won't like this video to bore you so much. So let me end this video now and let's do something else next time. So for the next episode of this, when I'm not on the chat, I know you won't like to miss it. So click that subscribe button and that bell notification. Click it, turn it on so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content to this channel. So stay tuned for our next upload and please share our video. There will be 1 or 2 persons that really want to understand this market. Recommend our channel to the person. Remember that we are not here to just make profit. We are here to be a person to the society as people that are financially free. Do you get me now? So see you next time. Jovianking 3.